Hello everyone, my name is Will Hardy and I am doing my project on how can CRISPR-Cas9 be used to fight COVID-19. What is CRISPR-Cas9? CRISPR-Cas9 is a technology and it is a powerful tool for editing genomes. This tool allows researchers to easily alter DNA sequences and modify gene function. Its many functions include correcting genetic defects and treating and preventing the spread of diseases. So, after studies done in 2012 by Mark Janek and his colleagues, the technology was simplified so that genome editing requires only two components, a guide RNA and the Cas9 protein. Once the DNA is cut, the cell's natural repair mechanisms kick in and work to introduce mutations or other changes to the genome. The cell uses a short strand of DNA as a template. Scientists later on can supply the DNA template of their own choosing, thereby writing in any gene that they want or correcting a mutation. As seen in the picture on the right, we can see scientists' hands picking out genes and putting in things that they want, adding to the sequence in order to kill a virus or anything else. CRISPR versus COVID. Okay, scientists have looked to CRISPR as a potential therapeutic, utilizing its targeted enzymatic activity to destroy SARS-CoV-2 RNA and prevent viral replication. Scientists began their work targeting the seasonal influenza virus, but they have since refocused aim on their gene-targeting antiviral discoveries towards COVID-19 and the global battle against the pandemic. Technology includes a Cas13 enzyme and a strand of gRNA that is specific to nucleotide sequences in the SARS-CoV-2 genome. In targeting and subsequently destroying the viral genome, Pac-Man technology effectively eliminates the threat of the virus by preventing viral replication. As seen on the right, we can see a picture of Pac-Man eating up the bad virus, bad enzymes. Pac-Man combines a guide RNA with the virus-killing enzyme Cas13. The RNA directs Cas13 to destroy certain nucleotide sequences in the SARS-CoV-2 genome, effectively neutralizing it. Pac-Man comes from the prolificatic antiviral CRISPR in human cells. A clinically viable CRISPR-based therapeutic may be a long way off. While COVID-19 is not erased by CRISPR as of now, it could be in the future. Pac-Man technology likely means that CRISPR will come out on top over future coronavirus in the future. Thank you.